Mira, how was your experience so far in the
The
internship?
the whole thing is just one word. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's excellent. It was an exuberant journey, full of excitement, full of energy, cheerfulness, and from being a person who didn't like extempore speaking, I was like, I did public speaking, but I had to be a perfectionist. It was like रात में उठा दो और कोई बोलेगा मीरा बोल, so I have to start speaking. But yes, I have evolved into a more extemp loving person. The make it happen activities, they were phenomenal. They did bring a very big change in my lives. It was a wonderful journey.
Thank you, Mira. Mira's parents, we'll get back to Mira's parent quickly. Paulmi, how was your feedback? How was your experience overall
So
for the last nine
talking
weeks?
about talking about these 9 weeks, these have been the most precious 9 weeks I should say in my life till date. I have learned so much that I would have never learned in my school, and I would like to thank everybody present over here today for spending your valuable time on a Sunday morning and coming here. And your views were so encouraging; it helped me a lot. I would also like to thank Coach Nitesh and Coach Amit and all the other coaches for constantly helping and supporting me. And above all, I would like to thank my parents for always believing in me and constantly supporting me. Thank you, everybody.
Paulmi's parents,
Good afternoon, everyone. And it was a wonderful Sunday. So, actually, seeing Pavlami from the very beginning, I was always sure that she wanted to do something like this. And seeing her happy in whatever she was doing is something which I really appreciate and I like. And the efforts which the coaches have put in, especially Nitesh sir and Amit sir, they were excellent during this entire thing, and the entire team who has helped her. And she has evolved a lot in her ways, like she has become very confident, and her perspective about looking at things has changed, and very much happy with everything that she is doing. Her nature has changed, she has cooled down a lot, and I hope that she does great in her future. Thank you, everyone.
super, super. Thank you for trusting Paulmi. Adira,
Like everyone said before me, the 9 weeks have been really informative, and I never thought I would be a person who would get up on a Sunday morning just to learn something new. But these were mornings that I looked forward to every week because I knew that I would learn something new, something different that I didn't already learn in school. So it was extremely informative and I enjoyed it a lot because I always knew that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. This just cleared my mind a little more. And I would like to thank Coach Nitesh and Coach Aditi and all the other coaches for always like helping me with my queries and stuff. And I would like to thank my parents for like allowing me to be part of this program and always being there for me.
super, super, Adira. Adira's parents,
Hello, everyone. Yeah, the 9 weeks program, what I would like to say is, like she already mentioned, she knew that she always wanted to be an entrepreneur. But this program, Coach Nitesh, what you have designed is not just being an entrepreneur, like you had earlier mentioned. There is no specific coaching for being an entrepreneur, but this has definitely what I have realized, this has helped them being an excellent human being. Like one of the mentors earlier mentioned that dreams may be fulfilled or not, but here you have helped them understand their intentions in life, and that they will hold on to. And for that I'm really grateful. I feel really fortunate that she found this program at this juncture of her life, and I'm really grateful for you to designing something like this. So thank you, Coach Nitesh, and I'm really grateful for Aditi to helping her out and talking to me, also clarifying many of my doubts. So yeah, thank you for this whole program. Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, Ranchi. The most important part is you trusted in Adira as a mother. That is the
Yeah.
most important part. And that is where the success story starts. Thank you for that.
Yes, thank you for making us realize that.
Kundana?
Yes, coach. So first of all, I am very happy that I've completed 9 weeks of my amazing course. I'm really very happy to be a part of it. The first day I still remember, tomorrow session start होने वाला है. आज मैंने मैसेज देखा कि I'll be a part of it. मैं रोने लगी क्योंकि मुझे इस सेशन के इसके बारे में उतना कुछ नहीं पता था. मम्मी के पास गई, मम्मी मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं करना. मम्मी ने बोला, see, just trust yourself, okay? If you want, you do it. Even now, there's no, if you don't like it, just leave it. I was like, let me give a try. Now I'm confident. I am able to do what I feel like to do. And that all the credit first goes to my first investors, my parents. And secondly, Coach Nitesh and Coach Amit to be such supportive mentors, and my fellow teampreneurs. Thank you.
Super, Kundana. Kundana's parents?
Good afternoon, everybody.
Yes.
I don't know what to speak actually. And
how was your experience as a mother when she was going through this program?
But actually I can say a lot of different personality I can see in my daughter. Maybe just because of Amit sir and Nitesh sir, I can see the changes in my daughter. Even she was born like that, I know that, but the way you molded her, right, that I can see the changes in my daughter. And I'm so blessed to have such a wonderful daughter. And this all credit goes to Coach Amit sir and Nitesh sir. And even I wanted to share one small example. Just 2 days before we had a housewarming ceremony, even during that time, she supported a lot to me and my husband. Wow. She supported like everything, each and every part of the event she organized very well. Not only me as a mother, I can say, okay, even the guests who had come, even my husband, colleagues, everybody has said the same thing. You have a wonderful daughter. Really, that is like, I'm so blessed. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Thank you. One and all.
Thank you for sharing.
And even all the best for all the teampreneurs. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Mansi?
Yeah, the entire journey was exceptional. It was fantastic. I learned a lot of things. It was informative also. The one thing which is still with me is the day when we threw the sweets away. I mean, I think that was the day where we all had that one kick on our backs that ab karna padega. And yeah, I would like to thank Coach Nitesh for everything, Coach Deepak for continuously helping me apart from his own work. Last but not least, my parents who have always supported me in everything and given me the resources and opportunities to do something like this. Thank you.
Super, super, Mansi. Mansi's parents?
Hi, everyone. I always knew Mansi's potential. Thank you for the opportunity given. And I think more than that, it is the confidence that Mansi has got from this Teampreneur community. She has never been a good reader, but here she's going to write a book, and that's going to be really amazing.
That is always
I'm really yes, I'm really looking forward for it. Thank you so much.
Super. जो movie देखते हैं movie बनाते नहीं हैं. That's the logic. Super, super. Thank you, Mansi's mom. Arya.
So I didn't realize how did these 9 weeks go. I learned so many things, and this speech was more than my final exam. I was like first time performing. I mean, first time performing and first time presenting on online audience. And I had never pitched before. It's like more than 90. And I really thank you all my coaches and for a great support. My parents who are the first investors, and I really believe in them. and they also believed in me for doing this program. And I really appreciate those who give their time and attended this program. Thank you.
Super, Arya, super. Arya's parents?
Yeah, hello, myself Rohini. So, talking about Arya's journey, we always believe that she has that energy and has that spark, but somehow we were also didn't know how to channelize it properly. And this particular program really gave her that channel, or really gave her that direction, how to take up, how to take that energy to a level wherein they can work on their passion as well as help the society also. So amazing, amazing, amazing. And not only her confidence level has increased, but I can see improvement in her educational background also. She's taking responsibility of her studies. She's also taking responsibility of her health, and she's becoming responsible. And it is really very, as a mother, I feel proud of her. So thank you very much, Nitesh, for bringing me in, for making Arya to be part of this program. Thank you very much. I am really thankful to Coach Aditi. I have seen that she has literally, constantly in touch with all three. I mean, Adira, Ria, and Arya to make it happen. So thank you very much to Coach Aditi as well. So thank you. Yeah, that's a word. And for today's experience, it was amazing to see that all these girls, instead of working on outer part, all of them talked about the inner part. So build your inner first rather than going out and build something out. So that was really, really, really amazing. Good job.
Super.
Good job done by everyone.
Thank you, Arya's parents. Ria Patak.
So I always wanted to do something and learn about entrepreneurship, but I never found a practical course or any college or courses. But I found a Teenpreneur Fellowship program, which really helped me to understand the real life entrepreneurship values. And thank you so much, Coach Nitesh, for the throughout support, and also Coach Aditi for the constant support. Yeah, so thank you.
Superb, Ria. Ria's parents?
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. सर पहली बात तो कि आपका ये जो टीम नेटवर्क था वो बहुत ही अच्छा था. आपका टीम सपोर्ट से उसको जो राइट पाथ चाहिए था वो मिल गया उनको. पहले जो उनको इंटरेस्ट था कि भाई मुझे ये करना है, लेकिन कैसे करना है, कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, वो उनको अभी ये जो प्रोग्राम के थ्रू आगे मिला है. और ये जो एक्सपीरियंस अभी का आज का रहा है, वेरी गुड. और ये टीम आपका जो सपोर्ट था वो वेरी गुड था अब तक. एक्सीलेंट. और थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी.
Thank you. It is the trust and the belief of a parent that builds the child's future more than the child's potential and talent.
Yeah.
Thank you, Himanshu, for trusting Ria.
Thank you.
Ria Ratnaparki.
Hello, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank Coach Nitesh for the immense amount of knowledge that he provided all of us with, and Coach Deepak for his continual guidance that he gave all of us. Coach Amit and Coach Aditi for their help throughout. My fellow teenpreneurs, in whom I found a lot of new friends, and they gave me such a wide variety of opinions on really curious topics. I would always sit and think about writing something down or doing something creative. But this program provided me with the push that I needed to actually genuinely do something, do what I wanted to. Because I would have this energy to do something, but I wouldn't do it. Last but not least, I would like to thank my parents, who have been my first investors and who have also been my biggest supporters, as well as my biggest critiques. So this has been one amazing learning curve.
Super, Ria. Amazing. Ria's parents? Yogita, I will unmute you. Wait. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
hello.
Yogita,
Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes.
So, first of all, I would like to appreciate the entire team of teenpreneurs, you, Nitesh sir, because putting so much effort, so much research into, actually creating this program is something amazing. It has come out as a very beautiful product. I wish you a lot of luck in the future, that you impact a lot of lives going ahead from here, because teenagers and the youth are our future, and everything is in their hands. So guiding them, supporting them, and taking them ahead is very important, very very important. And as India has a very large youth population, so we really need to focus on our youth, on our teenagers, and guide them well, so that we have a better future. And I think you are doing an amazing contribution to the society with this. I would really want to thank each and every coach for guiding these kids. And about Ria, I would say that yes, changes, yes, a lot of changes have happened in her. And she has taken up, initiated in a lot of things, those which she tried to avoid. Uh, Earlier it used to be our dinner table or lunch dining table was a table of more of arguments, but now it is like discussions about everything, and about her new friends she has made, and all the coaches, and pointing out all the small anecdotes that have been changing her life due to this pandemic, and whatever she has gained. Actually, the shutting down from this society for some time has actually brought up a different persona of these kids. They have become more thoughtful, they have become more independent, which is a very nice thing. And so that's it. And thank you. Beautiful presentations. All the kids, you all are amazing. And you are definitely going to go all the way long in your life. And you are going to create the change that we really want to see in our country, in this world. Thank you, and best of luck to all of you, each and every one of you.
Thank you, Yogita. Thank you for those wonderful, powerful words. Suha.
First of all, thank you, Coach Nitesh. Thank you, Coach Deepak. Thank you, Coach Amit and Aditi. It has been a life-changing experience. And if I had to highlight one thing which I liked the most were the moment of truth. It is like summarizing the entire session into just 3 or 4 points. And they were very, very powerful and life-changing, to be very honest. And all in all, it has been one of the best experiences that I've ever experienced. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much to all my fellow teenpreneurs, to everyone who was there throughout the session, supporting and encouraging me.
Super, Suha. Suha's mom, dad?
Coach, actually, I'm using my mom's phone because I had bad internet. I'll just pass the phone to her.
Sure.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Very good afternoon. I would like to thank Sanghamitra first of all. She helped me choose this program for Suha. Earlier, I didn't know about it. Thank you so much. And all the coaches and everyone in the team. I would like to thank everyone. Suha पहले इतनी ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थी हर चीज के लिए. इस प्रोग्राम का अटेंड करने के बाद शी इज लाइक हर चीज खुद से एक्सप्रेस कर पा रही है. पहले से था अंदर में, बट इतनी ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थी. और हम चाहेंगे कि आप लोग ये प्रोग्राम हमेशा कंटिन्यू करिए ताकि हम माय सन कैन आल्सो जॉइन इन. या थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स अ टन.
Thank you, Farzana. Thank you for this wonderful